السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Hello everyone and welcome to our Arabic lesson. Today we are going to learn a very special letter in the Arabic language, the letter Dad. The name of the letter is Dad, Dad, Dad. Okay, and the sound of the letter is Ad, 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 Ad. The public form from the letter Dad is this. This is the letter Dad. You write the letter dot from this dot here, and after that like this in the picture. Not forget the dot above the letter dot. Okay, the sound of the letter dot is ad, 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 ad. The articulation point for the letter dot. The letter dot is pronounced by placing the left side of the tongue or the right side of the tongue or both sides against the upper molar teeth, against the upper molar teeth. This is making the sound This is special sound. The letter dad have an characteristic or description, meaning rakhawa. The letter dad have rakhawa. Rakhawa means the sound continues and flows during pronunciation. It doesn't stop. It doesn't stop suddenly. Okay. So rakhawa, the sound continues and flows during pronunciation the letter. Okay. The letter dot is not easy, but it's not hard too. If this is difficult, you can use the lower back molars to hold the tongue gently without applying pressure. Okay, you can try it. You can try it now. Use the lower back molars and try to say eld, 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 eld. How can I applying the rakhawa? Rakhawa meanings like in the letter zai, is. When you try to say all the time, z, you notice that you can say z and the sound flowing when you are saying z on a without a problem. Now with the letter dad we have rakhawa too, but you should training it. Like you should say Why we are learning this? Because we have an example like this here. In this word in Quran, we have the letter dad here, but when you say the letter dad here with letter lam, you should make a difference between the letter dad and lam, and in the same time you should the sound should flowing when you are talking the word tadlil. Again, I will say the word and you try to say it after me. You are saying tadlil, tadlil. There is flowing. You should not stop. تضليل 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 تضليل. Yeah, تضليل. There is no drop. You can say dad and flowing and to say vite, to say the other letters. تضليل 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 تضليل. Now we are going to the forms of the letters of the letter ضاد. The shape of the letter ضاد, we have the at the beginning of the word like ضرس tooth. In the middle like خضار vegetables خضار. We have end of the word connected like in the word مريض sick. ضاد in the end of the word separate like بعوض mosquito بعوض. Now we are going to the activities. In the activities here we search the letter we searching the letter ضاد and we trying to write it. And here we're writing it in the beginning of the word, in the middle, and in the end of a word. This is the letter ضاد. This is the letter ضاد. This is ضاد 2. This is ضاد. And this is ضاد. It's easy for you, I think. And not forget the dot above the letter. There is dot above the dot. This is صاد. This is ضاد. Okay. Very good. This was fast. Now we're trying to writing the letter dot in the beginning of a word. Start by drawing an oval shape. From this dot here, we drawing the oval shape, and after that, then draw the line on the writing line toward the left. Add small tooth, this tooth here, and after that to the left, and don't forget the dot above. From here like this, and after that the dot. In the middle of the word, draw a line from right to left, then draw an oval shape that goes upward and to the right, then downwards and to the left, touching the writing line again. Right to left, and after that in this. In the end of the word is like this too. Not forget the dot. There is problem by writing by me and in the computer, but it's clear how you write the letter dot. From this dot here, and after that the half circle. From here we're writing the oval shape, and after that the half circle, and don't forget the dot above the letter dot. Great job, everyone. Today you learned the special Arabic letter Dad, how it sounds, where it's pronounced in the mouth, how it look different position, and how to write it step by step. Keep practicing and soon you will master this unique Arabic letter. Thank you to see this video. Share the video and see the another videos in the channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.